Okay, so we're at the store for the first DIY. Now these all look like items that you can grab from IKEA. She drilled a hole in the top. Oh, this is one of those aesthetic tissue boxes. Very cute. And then we have some wooden photo frames. So many DIYs that you can create using photo frames. I'm gonna guess right now that she's probably making a lantern. Yes! Oh my gosh, I love that. So cute. I'm obsessed with the lanterns, by the way. So for the next one, we have pieces of wood being glued together. Looks like some type of stand. Oh wow, a candle holder stand. I don't think I've ever seen that before. That looks pretty cool. And then we have some teeny tiny wooden bowls here. Wonder where she grabbed these. They're so small and cute. And she was able to make these very nice wooden candle holders. Love it. Oh, oh, she did show us in the first clip like a little mushroom light. Okay, and then we have some knockoff Jenga pieces being placed around a bowl. So she's just kind of stacking those. Oh, a plant holder. Cool. I was thinking maybe she was making a lantern, but plant holder is okay. Plant holder. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel, we like to take a look at trending and viral DIY project ideas and react to them. So if home decor is your thing, definitely be sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to like today's video, and you will stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest DIY trends. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. Alright, so here we have some type of table tray. These are all IKEA items. I'm gonna guess right now she's making a table. Every time I see these pieces together, I'm like, oh, side table. Yup. Very nice. I can never get tired of watching that particular DIY. It's just so stinking cute. Oh, some type of lighting. Oh, maybe not. Oh, it's like a little like wind chime. Oh, that's adorable. So we have some wooden pieces here. Good vibes. Oh. Now this is a DIY to attempt if you're like bored and you want to, have something to do. That's a good one. So here we have some cardboard. It's like a recycling DIY. Looks like they're making some type of vase. Oh, okay, this looks homemade, but like in a totally good way. I love it. That's pretty clever. So many DIYs that you can create by like grabbing, items that you would normally just throw away, and you could just recycle them, transform them into something cool. I like this one. And it's totally okay if you create a project and it looks homemade. Like, sometimes that's the best part about it. Yeah, that's a cute idea. So here's another DIY that involves some wood. I'm gonna guess that they're also making some type of lantern. Oh, looks like I might be making like some type of wooden crate or something. I don't know. Okay, we got something that says home. Oh, it is a lantern. I love it when I'm right. It's a lantern, but with like extra stuff in it. That's cute. Okay, so then we have like a vase here and some wooden spoons. Okay, I think I know where this is going. So they cut the bottom part off. This is a very popular DIY. That's interesting though, because usually when I see this being done, they just do like the bottom portion or the full portion of it. They did just the bottom for that one. Wow, that is pretty interesting. Okay, so here we have a mirror. So this is like one of the easiest beginner-friendly DIY mirror designs you can try, especially if you want to like dip your toe into the DIY world and you want to do a modern decor piece. This would be a great one to check out. Twine, rope, and cardboard. And of course, the actual mirror. Easy peasy. Cute. Alright, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIYs with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.